Every day with you is magic. Every kiss is better than the last. It's a home I've never known, a place I know will last. For a lifetime of I love yous, two hearts, one beat. You whisper to me, be mine. For a lifetime, it's the little things that make our hearts meet. It's like I can hardly breathe when you say my name. I know we've waited and we've prayed, and here we are for a lifetime. For a lifetime.
Every day I swear I need you. With each glance, I love you more and more. Our walls came crumbling down. Now hand in hand we soar. For a lifetime of I love yous, two hearts, one beat. You whisper to me, be mine. For a lifetime, it's the little things that make our hearts meet. It's like I can hardly breathe when you say my name. I know we've waited and we've prayed, and here we are for a lifetime. Oh, forever and ever for a lifetime.
Forever.
Forever.
My soul found you and fell in love. Now I can't get you out of my mind.
After all these years, how can I not do this all over again? After all these years, to come and stand before the Lord, my children and friends. And through the trials and fears, the smiles and tears, the Lord has seen us through. So after all these years, how could I not say I still do? After all these years, my love has grown stronger than when we first began. And after all these years, I'm glad to see that love has brought us to where we now stand. And through our life and love, the Lord above has surely seen us through. So after all these years, could I not say I still do? Oh, the Lord put us together, and He joined these two hearts. So what the Lord has joined together, no one could tear apart. Surely seen us through. So after all these years, how could I not say? After all these years, how could I not say? After all these years, how could I not say? I still do. Surely seen us through. So after all these years, how could I not say? After all these years, how could I not say? After all these years, how could I not say? I still do.
Good evening and a very warm welcome to one and all gathered here. Today is really a very special day. So we have the most beautiful couple of this evening, Mario and Edwina, celebrating 25 years of love. I'm sure it is a wonderful years of togetherness, isn't it? Blessed people, isn't it, to spend 25 years of their love. And we have beautiful daughters who are all set to welcome them and to give a pleasant and a warm welcome to each one of you as well present here for this very beautiful evening. So we're going to have a beautiful entrance by the beautiful entourage. We have the bridesmaids and the best men all set to start with this very beautiful evening. 3, 2, and 1. Come on, everybody, make some noise. Most beautiful couple, Mario and Edwina. Come on, everybody, make some noise with him. Wonderful. So can I request you all to please come a little closer if you guys don't mind. 3, 2, and 1. Here we go. Everybody sing along.
Congratulations and celebration. We want the world to know we're happy as can be. Congratulations and jubilation. We want the world to know we're happy as can be.
Are you ready? Okay. Here we go. Everybody make some noise. Amazing, wonderful. Come on, everybody, make some noise for Mario. Indeed, a wonderful pop with no damage.
Good evening, everyone. I would like to welcome each and everyone to be present here for our parents' 25th anniversary. Firstly, I would like to thank God for this beautiful day. 25 years ago, they made promises of love, commitment, and partnership. Today, as we reflect on their journey, we see those promises fulfilled in every moment of their shared life. To my dear parents, you all had shared every joy, laughter, pain, and always been strong pillars to each other. You all had been inspiring us always. May your journey be filled with even more joy, laughter, and cherished moments.
Mama and Dada, your love has always been the foundation upon which our family has flourished. Your unwavering commitment to each other, your endless support, and your ability to find joy in simple moments have taught us that it's what it really means to love and to be loved. As you celebrate this incredible milestone, know that your love is cherished and admired by all who know you. Here's to 25 years of cherished memories, laughter, and love, and many more years of happiness and togetherness ahead. Congratulations on your silver jubilee.
Hi, good evening, everybody. Everyone, first of all, I would like to thanks to you, my beautiful daughters, by Princey and by Sybil, for organizing this occasion. And I thanks to one of you all together here. It's my pleasure to have you all here. And I thanks Father Jerry and Father Joseph, my colleagues, to celebrate the Holy Mass. And I thank you once again, and God bless you all. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mario. Edwin Andonatra. Please, they say women talk a lot. So this is the time for you, just 2 words.
Thanks, everybody.
3, 2, and 1. Cheers. And people with glasses, sip the champagne. And we're going to have a beautiful wedding march. I want to see everybody to please join in.
never let me down. You turn my life around. The sweetest days I found with you. Through the years, I've never been afraid. I love the life we made, and I'm so glad I've stayed right here with you through the years. I can't remember what I used to do.
When I kiss her, I don't know where we're going. I don't know at all. I don't know how we're going. I'll be moving on. I'll be moving on. Gotta let it go. Living on my own, making me strong. Now I wanna show I can hold my own. See how much I've grown. Better off alone, baby. I don't do it all alone. So sorry for the heartache and saying goodbye, for wasting your time, for wasting your time. I don't know how we're going. I'll be moving on. I'll be moving on. Gotta let it go. Living on my own, making me strong. Now I wanna show I can hold my own. See how much I've grown. Better off alone, baby. I don't do it all alone.
Can't help falling in love with you. Shall I stay? Take my hand, take my whole life too. For I can't.
Alright, we will give a countdown from 10 to 1, alright, everybody? And Mario and Edwina will have not the very last kiss, but I say this is just the beginning. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6,
For